Is your girlfriend angry because of a dream? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to restore harmony and peace in your relationship. These historic quotes are 18 affirmations for alleviating the tension, creating new neural pathways and reopening lines of mutual communication. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Many societies have educated their male children on the simple device of teaching them not to be women. Margaret Mead. 17. Our imagination is the only limit to what we can hope to have in the future. Charles Kettering. 16. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Carol Burnett. Only as far as a man is happily married to himself is he fit for married life and family life in general. Novalis. Nothing is so contagious as example, and we never do any great good or fa which does not produce its like. François de la Rochefoucauld. The degree of civilization in a society can be judged by entering its prisons. Fyodor Dostoevsky. Use harms and even destroys beauty. The noblest function of an object is to be contemplated. Miguel de Unamuno. You're born naked, the rest is drag. RuPaul. Slump? I ain't in no slump, I just ain't hitting. Yogi Berra. Elegance is not the prerogative of those who have just escaped from adolescence, but of those who have already taken possession of their future. Coco Chanel. The leading cause of death among fashion models is falling through street grates. Dave Barry. Great and good are seldom the same man. Sir Winston Churchill. Dreams get you into the future and add excitement to the present. Robert Conklin. I'm an eternal realist, and the success rate of being an actor is pretty low. Tom Hiddleston. Mere goodness can achieve little against the power of nature. Georg Friedrich Hegel. It is folly to punish your neighbor by fire when you live next door. Publius Cyrus. What is there more kindly than the feeling between host and guest? Aeschylus. No one can give you authority, but if you act like you have it, others will believe you do. Karen Ireland. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day. Is your girlfriend